Hey, what's up, guys? It's Silky Dave here from Skanky Dave and the Bumpin' Uglies. We were picked to be a part of the Dialtone traveling guitar tour. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about these awesome pickups that they have. It's kind of a new way of thinking about guitar pickups. Each pickup has its own little potentiometer, two of them actually, set in here to control the resonance and Q frequencies, so you can actually drastically alter your tone. Now, before I get to messing with them too much, I've got it kind of set up already where I like it for getting a nice strumming kind of sound on my neck pickup, and then I can flip to the bridge and it's a little brighter like you would expect, and you can also use it straight up for your rock or metal tones. So here we go. Brighten it up a little bit. Also, that same tone sounds really great already to set up for it. If that's not quite right for you, you're like, I need a little more bass attack in there. It's just as simple as rolling the knob. So really, I mean, just setting up, you can immediately get two completely different setups right off the bat, flip the switch, or you can if you're good at it, you get the hang of it after a little bit of practice, start adjusting your tone right in the middle of everything. So it's actually pretty cool. We're very proud to have been chosen to be some of the first people to get to play them, and we hope you like them as much as we did.
Glad to introduce myself.
Yes.
Hey, this is Skank himself from Skanky Dave and the Bumpin' Uglies, and I'm checking out the new Dialtone pickups in this Schecter guitar, and we're going to see what it sounds like.
you think about the pickup, Skank?
I didn't come here to tell you that. I came here to tell you another story. No, yes, in the review of the Dialtone pickups, I think they sound great. There's a multitude of different sounds you can get out of this no matter what you want to go with, and it's right there at your hands. You don't have to jump around on stage messing with the amp or with the pedals. It's all right there, and you can get a wide range almost immediately. So yeah, I liked it. I thought there was a lot of great things you could do with it. I would definitely buy a pair of these pickups.